IKS, Indian Knowledge System, is one of the important disciplines which is now part of most of your curriculums for undergraduate and postgraduate courses. But even questions related to indigenous knowledge systems are asked in competitive exams these days. So one such example that we would be discussing is by Konda Reddi tribe and their knowledge about the tree Terminalia tomentosa, that is the Indian laurel tree. Now this tree is unique because, as you can see here, the tree actually has a capability to store water. This water which is stored in the tree is used for medicinal purposes, and this was one of the studies that was brought in. The water which is stored usually is sour and tastes differently, but it is used for medicinal cures, especially for GI or gastrointestinal problems. Now this tree, which is known as the Indian laurel tree, has been natively considered as one of the important trees by Konda Reddi tribe. Now Konda Reddi tribe is an important tribe which is found in the which is considered under the category of particularly vulnerable tribal groups, and their discovery about Indian laurel tree, or which is also known as the crocodile bark tree, is important. Now this tree is native to the regions in Southeast Asia. So specifically in the regions of Southeast Asia, if you see the regions of Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, this tree is seen. Now this tree has a bark similar to the surface of a crocodile, and therefore it is also known as crocodile bark tree. And the water from this tree is considered as very important. As we already said, it is used to cure stomach problems. Also, the leaves of this tree are consumed by silk moths, which give tussar silk, and then this also is considered good for making gums. Now gum is used for medicinal purpose from Indian laurel tree. The tannin from the bark is used with the tannin industry. Also, the juice from the tree is used for coloring and dyeing purpose. So this tree has been seen in Bandipura National Park. It is also also seen in the Papikonda Forest Reserve, and this shows that based on the girth of the tree, the amount of water which is stored in the tree would vary. So whether it would increase in the frequency would depend on the girth of the tree. Okay, the next important thing that we would discuss is about the Konda Reddi tribe. As we mentioned, they live on the banks of Godavari river. They are a particularly vulnerable tribal group, PVTGs as considered. Their mother tongue is Telugu, and the region in which they are seen is Andhra Pradesh. Now the tribe is divided into exogamous septs, and they are regulated for matrimonial purpose. Also, their surnames are prefixed by their individual names. The system is patriarchal in the Konda Reddi tribe, and they also have a social control which is known as Kul Panchayat or Kula Panchayat in English. And the headman is called as Peda Kapu. And these are some of the specific things to know about the tribe. Now, tribal groups, tribal studies become an important topic for your upcoming prelims examination as well. They are mainly meant to collect the non-timber forest produce, these are in the forms of tamarind, in the forms of broomsticks, and they can supplement their income by means of this. Also, they mainly cultivate jowar as one of the millet crops, and this is the staple crop that they consume. So thanks for joining in. Wish you very good luck for your coming exams.